Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope that you are all good. In today's video I have a mini Diamond Nail Supplies acrylic haul to share with you guys. Now my main reason for this order was because Diamond Nail Supplies recently upgraded and changed their acrylic packaging, or all of their product packaging, and I have absolutely loved the pictures that they've shared on their social media, so I was really excited to see it and try it for myself. So I went on and purchased 5 of their acrylic colours, and this is their gorgeous new packaging. I absolutely love it. I am a huge sucker for pretty packaging, but I really love this. It feels and looks a lot more professional. The pots are glass and they've got this beautiful gold lid with the diamonds on it, and then you've got the gold branding on the front and the stickers etc on the back. As you can see, it just all looks really pretty, and I think it's a huge upgrade from their previous silver packaging. A little bit further along in the video I will show you what it compares with their old packaging, but I'm absolutely loving it. And I even just have kept these 5 little pots of acrylic on my shelving on my on my desk. Usually I pop all of my acrylics in a drawer, but I've just got to keep these out because it is so pretty. So I have showed you the backs of the 5 colors that I picked up. These are their 10-gram acrylic pots, and they do come in larger sizes as well. And like I said, it's all of their products that have upgraded to their new packaging. So this is their old packaging. You can see it. I quite liked it. It was pretty. It worked well. But their new packaging it's just amazing. I absolutely love it. If you haven't already, do check out Diamond Nail Supplies. I will leave a link below to their website as long with a discount code. So I'm going to be swatching the acrylics, and I am using their monomer, which is in their old packaging, because I didn't pick up a monomer this time around because I already had plenty. So the first color I picked up is Silk. Now Silk is a gorgeous soft white. It's ever so slightly softer than a brighter white. I personally picked this one up for doing ombres. I already have a couple of soft whites from other acrylic brands, but I really wanted to try the one from Diamond Nail Supplies, and it applies absolutely beautifully. Sometimes white acrylics can be tricky to work with and quite sticky, but this one isn't. It goes on with such a beautiful consistency. One of the things that I said in my previous Diamond Nail Supplies video was that I really love their consistency because it's more of a medium to dry consistency, which is what I personally prefer. So yeah, you'll definitely be seeing this color coming up soon in some ombre nails. Ombre nails are one of my absolute favorite things to do, and I think this is just going to look beautiful paired with the next color that I picked up. So this one is Bear. Now Bear and Silk are both core colours, so they don't technically need to be encapsulated. You can build up the strength and structure with the entire nail with your core colours. So as you can see, Bear is a really pretty light pink. This is kind of semi-transparent or translucent. It's not full-on opaque like a cover core acrylic is, which is what I was looking for, because I quite like these more softer semi-transparent colours for doing ombres because they're a lot easier to create a nice blend. So I seeked these 2 colours out personally just for doing ombres because I really want to have some pink ombre nails using the Diamond Nail Supplies acrylic system. Again, this one applies absolutely beautifully. Their colours as well, they pick up really nicely, but I do find their cores pick up especially good. Their colours, I like to personally with certain ones work with a more painting on motion, but when it comes to their core acrylics, I work with a more pat and pull motion. So this is the beautiful Bear. It's a little bit hard, I think, to see this particular one on a swatch stick because it looks a little bit lighter than I reckon it will over a natural nail, or, you know, when you're creating a set. I sort of feel as though I've worked a little bit too thin with it here. Then I picked up 3 colours. So this beautiful orange is blood orange. Another thing I wanted to point out that I quite like about this packaging is you are able to now sort of see the colour through the jar, which I quite like, because if you don't remember what a colour looks like off the top of the name looking at the old packaging, you've got to open it up to find the colour that you're looking for, where with this new packaging you're able to sort of roughly see what colour it is through the glass jar. Now, blood orange is absolutely stunning. It picks up with a beautiful creamy consistency. This particular one as well, I felt worked quite nicely with that pat and pull motion. I like to work with quite a medium consistency ratio. I don't like working with too wet acrylics. Some of the brands I have used in the past have a more wetter system. And whilst there's nothing wrong with that, it's just my personal preference to work with a more medium to dry system, which is why I personally love this one. Now, you can work with it a little bit wetter than I am here and it still applies absolutely beautifully. This is just more the consistency that I like to work with. This colour is so highly pigmented. I can't wait to get this in a set of nails for the summer. I'm definitely going to be using this one on my own nails. Just look how gorgeous it is. It isn't as full on as like a red. It has still got that orangey undertone to it, but then it's also leans towards that bright red shade as well. I absolutely love it. Now, this one is called Peacock, and I recently had a suggestion from one of my lovely nail tech friends on YouTube to do a peacock inspired set of nails using some peacock colours. And I was looking through my acrylics and I do have a few that have that bit of a peacock vibe to them, but then I see this one on the Diamond Nail Supplies website and I had to go for it, and the fact that it's called Peacock as well just fits what I have in mind to do with it. Now, in the pot it does look a little bit more teal blue. However, it is a little bit more greeny, which you could see when looking at the pictures on the website. This particular one I found worked better painting on, which is what I ideally do with a lot of my acrylic colours anyway. I never usually build up a nail using my coloured acrylics. Usually I'm doing like ombres or coloured fades, glitter fades, marbles. So I will work with my acrylics like design powders, work with them more wet, and do my design with them. And if I was doing a full coloured acrylic now, I still would more paint the colour on quite thinly and then build up my structure and encapsulate with a clear acrylic. That's my personal preference. This way as well, I also find you use less of your coloured acrylics and then more of your clear, which is a lot easier to top up than keep topping up your colours. So I have always preferred to just paint on my coloured acrylics, but I do find it tricky painting on colours in these swatch sticks. I've just never fully got the hang of painting on colours very well in these, but as you can see, this is such a gorgeous green. I'm going to say green, it's like a greeny blue, but I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of that colour. And then the last colour I have to share with you is the gorgeous Ultraviolet. Now, I am a huge purple lover. It is one of my absolute favourite colours, and I don't have too many neon purple acrylics, so I was really drawn to this one. It's kind of somewhere between a very bright purple and a neon purple, but it was really easy to work with, which is surprising because some bright neon colours I find tend to marble. I personally didn't have hardly any marbling with this one, and I was working with it quite wet as well compared to how I was with the core colours, especially because I kind of just wanted to paint on quite a thin layer. But as you can see, it applies absolutely beautifully. It's such a rich, vibrant colour, and it's going to be another one that I reckon I'm going to get a lot of use out of through the summer, but I tend to reach for purple all year round. This colour especially as well, I thought would team up really nicely with that peacock as well, so I might try and do a bit of a clashy colour combination set of nails and combine these two colours together. Now, this particular video today is only a short one because I just wanted to swatch and show you guys these colours, but I will have some more videos coming up ASAP using these. I'm going to do some more sets of nails on myself because you guys seem to be liking those. So again, if you have any colour combination suggestions or any sets of nails you would like to see, please do pop them in the comments below and let me know in the comments below which one of these 5 is your favourite colour. As always, I leave all of the links and discount codes I have in the description box below, so do check that out. I hope you're all having a wonderful week, and thank you all so much for watching. If you did enjoy today's video, please do give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Once again, thank you all so much for watching. Lots of love. Take care. Bye bye.